Hello everyone, this is Jag and welcome to the 2-minute tip video segment where I share gardening tips with you in a straightforward 2-minute video. So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 tips with you on how you can use baking soda in your garden and your home. So let's get started.
Number 1. Clean garden tools. Gather old and rusted garden tools. Fill a bucket with the liter of water and 1 liter of vinegar. Soak the garden tools in the solution. Remove the tools after 15 minutes and scrub with baking soda. Baking soda makes a great abrasive and gets rid of rust and dirt from the tools. Rinse the tools with water and the tools will become sparkling clean. Number 2. Remove odor from trash cans. Sprinkle baking soda to the bottom of the trash can to remove the odor. Baking soda absorbs the odor and gets rid of the foul smell. Number 3. Remove wax and dirt from fruits and vegetables. Fill a tub with water and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to the water. Mix the baking soda in the water. Wash vegetables and fruits in the baking soda solution to remove any pesticides, wax, or dirt from the fruits and vegetables. Number 4. Make a natural pesticide. To make a natural pest-killing gel, use a shallow container such as this one used to sell herbs. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water to the container. Mix the solution well and create a paste. Place the gel in the desired location. Baking soda is very effective in getting rid of ants and roaches as these insects cannot digest baking soda. Number 5. Bug bite itch relief. Add baking soda to a container and then add a little bit of water to make a paste. Apply a pinch of baking soda to the affected area. This will provide much needed relief from bug bites.
I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a lot of information on the internet that actually suggests using baking soda as a weed killer. So I did some tests and I found baking soda to be ineffective in killing weeds. If you want to know more, the link is in the description and I will see you in another video.